guys, we are back at IKEA with Mimi. If you haven't seen the vlog of, you know, the TaskRabbit actually assembling the wardrobe, I was like, it's broken, can't you see that it's broken? And he was like, oh. And I said to him, you were supposed to bring a second person. This is not a job for one person. And oh my goodness, he just flipped. I'll put it somewhere up here. So basically we've just come back so we can see how we can have the parts that was broken replaced. So it's taken a while for us to come back, but hopefully we can have it all sorted today. So it's a nice sunny day. So yeah, let's just go in. I know we've come for something specific, but I can actually see myself. I always end up going home carrying something that I didn't intend to like buy. But no, I need to be strict because I need to plan everything properly. It's still in the morning, it's not yet busy, it's just after 10. Because I know after lunchtime it's gonna get crazy busy in here. Mimi, say hi. She's on the phone. Let the shopping begin. These look so cute. Nice and bright. So I do need some organisers. I do like those at the top because I feel like they'll fit in the wardrobe that I currently have. These are really cute as well. But definitely those at the top, I'm definitely going to get those. So some sofas on this side. Most of these I find quite low. Oh, I need to actually look at some rugs as well. This is such a cozy setup. Some mirrors. Oh, this is my outfit, by the way, in case you I know I didn't get a chance to show you. It's nice and warm, but I still need to have this on top. All Zara. Okay, so this one's a bit dark, but it makes a nice cozy office. Maybe it's because I generally like a lot of natural light, so I like everything to be nice and bright, but it still looks really good. Oh, I like this one. Okay, we're just entering the hallway. Something for your shoes here. No shoes in the house. And then on the right hand side there's a kid's bedroom. Oh, and a bathroom. Perfect. And then it leads to the sitting room and a dining, and kitchen. And then there's a main bedroom here with your wardrobes on this side. Oh, okay. Okay, so that's a full house. A little coffee shop. I love this mock-up. So they do all these different mock-ups. So this would essentially be a coffee shop. Okay, let's just pretend this is my coffee shop. Okay, I'm ready. Please come in. I'm on this side. Making some Zumbani tea. Or some green tea, of course. You guys know me when it comes to tea. There's some cake. And then, okay, so this would be the toilet. And then you can sit here, but we're doing mostly takeaways. Or you can come and sit by the bar and have a look through the window. Watch people walking about. I love it. Missdivalicious coffee shop. Cute, so cute, honestly. Oh, we are on the kitchen side. Little coffee station. This one's nice and bright. Oh, these are nice. Don't know which one I'd choose. I like this kind of like vintage look. And then there's a few more on this side. Oh, these look so cool. This is great storage. And I like that, you know, when you're pulling it, it actually doesn't scratch the bottom of the wardrobe. These are good as well. I do need something where I can actually put my winter quilt. So if I could stuff it in something like this, that would be great, because I can put it on top of my wardrobe or something. Actually, I feel like this is the one that I have, except the doors are different. And obviously I opted for the one without the mirror, because I wanted a freestanding mirror that's separate in my room. This is great storage for your shoes if you have the space. But it kind of looks like a shop though. Oh, like a shoe shop. Great organizer. So before, after. I like this for the belts and hanging stuff, but I don't think I've got space in my wardrobe for this. But it would be great to organize my belts and other accessories, because actually I think this one's my wardrobe, but with different doors. So we've just gone to talk about the replacing the part that was broken. It's quite simple. So we're just going to go to customer service and explain everything, and apparently we can just pick it up just like that. So that's good. We will see. This is the wardrobe, Mimi's wardrobe. It does look nice. So it's one of these that got broken, so we're gonna have it replaced. Just the one side on it got broken just here, so we're gonna have that replaced. So we're just gonna go to customer service just now. It's cute, I like it. And then inside, if you haven't seen this video, I will link it to this one so you can see how it looks and how it got assembled and everything. It was a great choice and she loves it. Here's a little kitty for my Dylan. My little nephew. He loves cats. So before we go to customer services, I decided I need to have a cup of tea. So I am having my PG tips with oat milk. But honestly guys, I feel like the cup is too small. You know, I drink a lot of tea. I need to go back at least 3 times for this. Let me just turn this around and show you my view. Well, it's just cars, but it's nice and sunny, which is nice. I feel like summer is finally here. So that's it. And the car park's not full yet, because I know weekends can get really busy here. But that's my view. I've just come to customer service and I've clicked spare part, and then just gonna wait to go and get served. Luckily it's not that busy, so mine is the next one after the 310 for spare parts. Guys, so coming back from customer service, it turns out we are not able to get the spare part, and the reason being that that particular wardrobe actually came with all the parts together, as opposed to as opposed to the other wardrobes where you actually have to build them. You know, you can take one part and add another part and actually build it from scratch, but that one is actually specifically made with all those parts, so they didn't have any spare parts for that particular wardrobe. So now I am going to have to send them an email to see if they can do anything. If not, I will have to find a carpenter that can fix that, you know, that base, or we would have to do a bit of DIY ourselves and like fix it. I'm a bit disappointed, but I'll give you guys an update after I've got the email and see, you know, how to proceed. But basically that's what happened. So I am just leaving IKEA. We're going to go and have lunch somewhere and then go home.